So I'm Justin Lynch, CEO of X3 Marketing, and we work with small to medium-sized businesses to really enhance their online presence. We're different from other marketing agencies because we get really into what their business does and understand their business model and create a custom strategy to get them more customers and clients. Our challenge is really getting in front of customers. We do things differently. I like to meet with our clients face to face, and the challenge was simply having enough bandwidth to get in front of our ideal customers or prospects, I should say, because we have an extremely high close rate when we are able to get in front of those clients. So the challenge was, how do we contact as many of these prospects as we can? Because we know that the bulk of them are not happy with their marketing or their current marketing agency, and they need to talk to us in order to put together a better game plan. Belkins has been an incredible asset as they schedule usually a couple of meetings a week in front of our ideal prospects. And I go and meet with them and then take them through our sales process. Belkins has been communicative and very open to changing the campaign and responding to the needs and the specific types of businesses that I want to meet with. Closed a lot of big deals with Belkins, from Colorado's largest HVAC company in northern Colorado to a large building company in Fort Collins, a inspection company that is really trying to grow in the marketplace and has become one of our biggest clients. There's been a lot of different deals that we've closed with the help of Belkins getting us in the door.